now we are going to set project information. In each project, there are information you must to add them, such as the project name, the type of the project, etc. To do that, you should go to Manage, then in Setting box, you can find here project information. Click on it, and this window will appear. So you can see here the organization name. Let's say MEP by Jawad Engineering and Contracting. The organization description. Construction, let's say, and rehabilitation. The building you are work in name. It's maybe school or residential or office building. Let's say school. And I will put here my name. And if we go down, we can see here the project issues day. Let's say today is 28/6/2024. Project status. Let's say the first phase. Start project. First phase. The client, who is the client? Let's say a name Mike. Mike X. The location of the project. You can find here 3 points. Click on it, and then you can edit the text. So Lebanon, Beirut, ABC Street, X School, then click OK. The project name, it's according to the project. Rehabilitation of X school. And the project number, let's say MEP dash 01 dash school. Then at the end, click OK.